In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach documents in Microsoft Loop. This straightforward process will enable you to enhance your collaboration efforts by easily sharing necessary files with colleagues directly within the application. Let's get started by first opening a Loop page. Microsoft Loop is an excellent tool for collaborative work, offering you a digital canvas where you can create, share, and brainstorm ideas in real time. Whether you're working on a team project or organizing your personal tasks, having the ability to attach documents directly onto your Loop page can significantly streamline your workflow. Once you've navigated to your desired Loop page, the next step is to simply drag a file from your computer into the page. You can do this with virtually any type of file you might need, be it a Word document, a PDF, an image file, or even an Excel spreadsheet. Just find the file on your computer that you want to share. On your desktop or in a folder, click and hold your mouse button on the file, and then drag it over to your open Loop page. Now, as you perform this action, you should be seeing the file move across your screen as you drag it over to the Loop application. This dragging method is a very intuitive and quick way to share documents, as it eliminates the need to navigate through menus or options. For those using multiple screens, make sure you're dragging the file from the correct display and onto the Loop page displayed on your screen. When you're ready to drop the file, make sure to carefully move it to the desired section on your Loop page. Microsoft Loop helps you stay organized by allowing you to designate specific areas for different types of content and information. So take a moment to position your file in a way that makes logical sense for your project or discussion. Once you're sure of the spot, simply release your mouse button to drop the file into place. At this point, your document will appear right where you dropped it, neatly embedded on your Loop page. You and your team members can now refer back to this document whenever needed without having to search through emails or other locations. This cohesive integration makes information exchange more fluid and ensures everyone involved has easy access to the same resources. And that's it. Your document is now successfully attached to your Loop page. As you practice this simple yet effective process, you'll see how it can significantly enhance your productivity and collaboration. Microsoft Loop's user-friendly interface makes it conducive to team or personal projects by just keeping everything you need right at your fingertips. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I encourage you to explore further functionalities that Microsoft Loop offers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.